Traders. Today is 12th of November 2019. We're on live the trading crude oil market CLSEC 9 December contract 2019. So at this moment, this is live trading for US session trading signal. So you can get a live signal here from my live trading broadcast. And at this moment, we are on the another buy from US session signal. Scalping should be around 16 ticks target with the risk around 24 ticks. So this is the latest signal. Okay, looks good. Looks good. So let's wait. Maybe there's a possibility. So I need to enter my exit. So I will exit at 57.50. With a stop loss at 57.10. So let's wait. This is gonna take maybe expected around 45 minutes to reach the TP area. Okay, looks good at this moment. You can see there's a high volume of transaction. It's quite interesting. So on the higher side, 57.50 is the highest, 189, and the rest is none, and 57.42, which is the nearest high. So price now is 57.34. On the lower side, there is no large volume waiting, so it depends 100% on the higher side. Okay, 57.40, another high volume. It's the same like just now, also high volume waiting over there. And 57.50, 188 waiting. Hope the market can go spike up pretty much fast and break the nearest high, which is at 57 around 45. Again, market went high, another spike, and then drop back. Not sure what actually happened, why the candle is so like this today. And seems the high is 57.45 because there is a high volume keep pushing down the market. So 57.50 is the next highest Q for the sell position. So this is our target. If the price reverse back, then better to exit. So we'll remove the stop loss to 57.15. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Hope not another spike. Hope not another spike. 57.44, 57.46. 46 is the highest. Let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume at 47.45. And also there's a high volume at 57.50. Excuse me. And also let's take a look on this volume waiting at 57.45. I'm not sure why this level. So I need to send out a signal to my subscribers that change stop loss. To 57.15 as a trailing stop. So now we go back to the market. Okay, 57.45, 57.46. So the highest now is 57.50. So almost hit. Yep. So around 16 ticks. Now it goes back down again. I'm not sure why. Ooh. It's really crazy. Still the highest volume is 5750. If the price reverse back, then this means no point for the market to go on the higher side. It might go for a reversal. So we have a stop loss. We shouldn't worry. Just let it wait over there. So let's hope it hit the 5750. Still remain the high volume at the current price level 750. You can see over here. Is the market try to get further up? I'm not sure because now almost near my entry point. There's a possibility for the market to go back to 5750. So high volume still remain at 5740. I'm not sure why so many Q at this price level, and 5750 also got high Q but still not yet triggered, and the other is none. Could be the whole night is a sideways movement, so let's wait and see. So at this moment we can see that here is our entry. The nearest high volume is still 5740. If you watch these videos from the beginning, you can see that there's a high volume at the same price level 5740 since the beginning of this video recording, live recording. It's quite interesting. The price climbed back up to the level of 5740, which is I mentioned just now. There's a high volume. Okay, there's another high volume waiting at 5742. That's why sometimes I hate scalping, because there's a lot of play around. Oh, 102 170, that one is quite high. Just now there's no volume waiting. There is less volume waiting at 5749 and 5750. Okay, seems like a red candle at the beginning of this candle. Time now is 10:25 a.m. New York time. You can see there's a lot of spike over here and over there. So this is the high before. This is a new high, and now they try to bridge both high, and we are expecting the market to reach 5750 any moment from now. I hope I can capture it live. There's a main reason why I record this video. And okay, 5745, that's the highest point just now with the high volume. Okay, the next high volume still remain 5750. Now we lost most of the volume at 5749. 5749 with a 90. Okay, now more active. Market become pretty much volatile, so I will remove my stop loss to 5720. So this is the new trailing stop. Because we have been in the market for quite some time, this is not really a good entry, I guess, because the market didn't go straight to the TP price level, but try to move around. It's quite tough, this market. So we can see now. Okay, we are still waiting for the market to react to the upper side. So I also send out a signal for them can exit at profit because market looks pretty much tough. Very interesting. High volume detected at 57.52. This is a new one, 57.49. Okay, reverse back. That's how the play. 57.55, also a very high volume. Okay, now we are entering a new candle. The profit is at 160 US dollar. Any moment it might break this further high and hit the TP, then reverse back further down. That's how I'm expecting at this moment, because you can see there's a large volume waiting over here and over here, which is might create a high demand for the market price to reach on the higher side compared to the lower side. And in return, once it feel in the upper side price movement, then I might go reverse back at the fastest rate. Okay, looks good. I think somebody is playing around with this market tonight. I mean, this morning. 111 waiting at 57.49, which is my previous TP point for London session. So the height just now is 46. It reached there and then reverse back further down. Sorry, 47, 57, 47. It's very tough price movement. So I need to remove my SL to 25. So 57, sorry, 25. I think market might go reverse. Maybe. So let's wait. Still there is a high volume waiting at 57.49 and 57.50, and on the lower side there's no sign of reversal except at 57.13, which is quite indication that the market will go further down and break through 57.00. So as for now, that's it. Profit also not much. I'm still targeting 57.50. Let's wait whether this can be achievable or not. Looks interesting. I'm still wonder when it's going to hit the 57.50 price level. Okay, it's going to break. Oh, very tired waiting. Just a few more ticks so we can see that today got both session with profit, US session and also London session. I'm uploading my London session trading video Okay, we hit at last. So the profit is around 320 US dollar, so 16 ticks. Okay, that's it for today. I think that's the final one. Market might reverse back to further down, hopefully not go further up. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it because you may join the live signal broadcast for crude oil market. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.